Reversing money on the Capitec application is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, reach out to Capitec Bank's customer support as soon as possible. Now, you can do this by calling their customer service hotline or using their contact channels provided by the banks. After that, when contacting customer support, be ready to provide specific details about the transaction, such as the date, amount, and any reference numbers. Then clearly explain the issue or mistake in the transaction and why you are requesting a reversal. Now, if there's been an error or an unauthorized transaction, make sure to mention it. Then Capitec's customer support will guide you on the appropriate steps based on the nature of the transaction. After that, they may initiate an investigation or provide further instructions. Now, if needed, the customer support team may guide you through the dispute process. This usually involves filling out a dispute form and providing additional information. Once you're done with this, keep track of any communication from Capitec Bank regarding your dispute. Then they may update you on the progress and resolution. So this is how you can reverse money on the Capitec application.